Hello, today's tutorial is an easy French twist from start to finish. Perfect for a bride, a wedding guest, prom, or just to elevate your everyday look. First, I let my hair dry to about 80%. I'm using the new Gazoo Honey Milk Cream. This is a 5-in-1, and I just love the soft hold that it gives the curls. Now, I'm often asked, why do you curl your hair if you're putting it up? So curling helps soften the hairstyle by adding curves and movement. So you could use a curling iron or anything that adds a bit of curl. But if you prefer a sleeker look, that is beautiful too. Next, to smooth everything back, I like to combine a hair oil with the Day Styling Cream. It just tames your flyaways without any stiffness, and don't forget to smooth around your neck too. Now, gather your hair into a low ponytail with your left hand, and with your right hand underneath, thumb on top, tightly twist the ponytail away from your face twice and bring it to the top. Use the fingers on your left hand to tuck the twist and tighten it. Now secure it with a DIY bungee, sliding one bobby pin in at the top left side of your twist, pulling across and sliding in the second. Then swoop the ends left and use your fingers to fan them out into a top bun and just pin both sides into place. Smooth the remaining ends, bring them under your top bun across to the right and pin to secure. Now to finish, I always use a shine product, and my go-to are the Hairstyle Glaze Drops. I hope you liked today's tutorial. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.